A quote that's always stuck with me when it comes to fulfilling potential is a conversation between Jose Mourinho and Dele Alli. Jose Mourinho speaks on how time flies so quickly and how one day you might look back at life and realise you've got a lot of regrets and you could have been a lot more. When I first saw that clip, it hit me, because I feel like deep down we all know we're not giving it our all. We all have the moments where we look in the mirror and think, I could be so much further ahead in life than I am currently. This conversation wasn't just about football, it was about life. We all have potential, but only a few of us ever maximise it. I'm going to be honest, a part of me didn't want to do this video. I feel like I was going to try and show you something that I'm currently not. The pictures in the thumbnail of me were maybe 1 or 2 years ago, when I was structured, disciplined and hungry. But somewhere along the way I slowed down, I got comfortable. I wasn't pushing myself like I normally did. So as much as me making this video for you, it's actually for me as well. Right now on that bar in the thumbnail, I'm actually closer to wasted potential than I am fulfilling it. And that's quite a tough thing to admit. But here's why I'm recording this. I know that I've done it before, and I'm ready to climb again, but this time I want to bring you along with me. You might think you're not destined for greatness because your mind keeps putting obstacles in the way. I haven't got the genetics, I'm not smart enough, life's been too hard for me, it's easier for them. That's the victim mentality talking. The thing is, hard work always beats talent, and consistency will end up paying off. The people we look up to aren't always more gifted than us. They just chose to work harder and didn't put excuses in their way. They kept showing up long after everyone else had left. The first step is to review your match footage, because before you can move forward, you've got to look back. In football, after every game, players sit down with their coaches and analyse what went wrong. The missed chances, the lazy runs, the moments of hesitation. Life works in that same way. You can't take that step forward until you study the bad habits that you're doing at the moment. Ask yourself, what's holding me back? Is it procrastination, comfort, negative self-talk? Or maybe it's just that you keep saying I'll start tomorrow, but then tomorrow never comes. Life's always moving so fast and most people never stop to actually analyse their own game. And when you do, and when you're brutally honest with yourself, that's when things start to change. Awareness is the first step to growth, because you can't fix what you don't acknowledge. Step 2 is to find your agent. Once you've reviewed your footage, you know where you're falling short, and then that's when your agent comes in. In football, your agent represents you, but most importantly, they believe in you. In life, that's your mentor, someone who believes in the potential that you have, not just what you currently have sitting there right now. It could be your parents, a friend, a coach, or even someone online who pushes you to think differently. But you've got to find that person, because they'll hold you accountable for when your motivation falls. Everyone needs that voice to remind them, you're not working hard enough, you're not pushing yourself, you could do better here. Step 3 is to train for your transfer. In football, you don't just get signed to a big club just because you want it. Scouts are watching how you train, how you recover, and how you behave when people aren't cheering. In life, your purpose is that big club. It's watching you quietly, it's analysing your discipline, and it's studying your habits. Your purpose won't offer you a contract if you're not ready. It's not a short-term thing, it's a lifelong contract. So train like the scouts who understands. Choose progress over excuse. That's how you get signed by your purpose. Step 4 is to earn your starting 11 spot. Getting signed isn't the finish line, it's the first whistle. Plenty of players have contracts, but only a few get into the starting 11. Now you have to perform. You have to show up on them days that you're tired. On them days when people are doubting you, when you can hear that noise behind you and people are chattering about you, you keep pushing forward. Life rewards execution, not intention. Once you're on that pitch, no one cares about excuses, just the results. Always play like your spot isn't guaranteed, because it isn't. Step 5 is to reach your full potential. This is a legacy step. Potential isn't built over one season, it's built over a career. There will be injuries, setbacks, dips in form, people doubting you, but the greatest players evolve, they adapt, and they stay hungry. Your purpose expects you to grow with it, and here's the truth. Most people don't reach their full potential because they stop too early. They get comfortable, they get complacent. Don't let that be you, because always remember, time flies. And one day, just like Jose Mourinho said, you'll meet the version of yourself that you could have been. Just make sure you recognise him. Thank you for watching. My name's Kasim. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more.